Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your speaker Marshall Emberton 3. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, maybe it's your problem, so go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and now turn on it if it's turned off, and also click on your speaker at the device list. And we have connection. If it didn't help you, I recommend you to perform a soft reset. So, firstly, press and hold this power button to turn off your speaker. And after that, press and hold this power button again to turn on it. Now your speaker will reconnect to your phone, so maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, I recommend it to remove and add this speaker. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget the device, forget device. If you have Android, after that click pair new device, and then press and hold this Bluetooth button at the top of your speaker to enter pairing mode, and tap on your device at the device list. That's it. Now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly, make sure that your speaker is turned on, and after that, press and hold this Bluetooth button until the LED light turns into a red. Here we go. And firstly, we need to remove this speaker from the phone, so click the information icon or settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android. And after a factory reset, this speaker enters to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list. Now tap on it, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!